Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. I am your host, Rafi.
Hey Rafi,
Yes, uncle?
what's your Wi-Fi password?
You have to wait 2 minutes to have a Wi-Fi password. If you're having a problem like me, guys, then you can solve it easily. Let's follow the steps. First of all, you have to go to the search bar. It's located right to the Windows logo over here. From here, you have to type Control Panel. Control Panel, go to the best match and select the Control Panel app. After opening the Control Panel, you have to go to the Network and Internet. From here, go to the Network and Sharing Center. And over here, you'll find your every information about your network. Go to the Change Adapter setting, it's located in your left. After opening the Change Adapter setting, click on the Wi-Fi, double tap on it. From here, go to the Wireless Properties. After opening the Wireless Properties, go to the Security. And over here, you'll find the Network Security key. If you want to say it, you have to just check this box. So guys, you can see, this is my Wi-Fi password. Hey, uncle.
Yes.
My Wi-Fi password is Rafi2008.
Oh, how did you find it? I thought you just forgot.
Okay guys, that's all for today. Me too.